So let's look now in more detail at our chamfer core design tool. I've zoomed in a bit closer now on our side view because we need to tidy up these grooves here. These are actually grooves in our side view. So what I need to do here is I need to actually tidy up these. They're not actually fixed rectangular grooves like that. They do actually have chamfers and fillets on them. So we need to tidy up a little bit. Also, these corners here need a small chamfer on each corner as well. So I go back to the chamfer command here on the modify panel, come into the drawing area, right click and go to setup. Now notice it remembers the last set of settings that we had. So I'm not going to dimension these ones. I am, however, going to trim the geometry, so make sure that's ticked. Now, first chamfer length, I can either select it from the screen by selecting an existing arc or circle perhaps, but what I'm going to do is just change it here. I just want it to be 0.5 millimeters. The second chamfer length adopts that as well. So I'll OK that now, and I'm going to select this line and then this line. So you'll see that small chamfer kick in there. Let's do the same on this corner. Click, click. Notice it stays in multiple chamfer mode. It does not come out of the command. Now if I right click to come out or press enter, it just opens up the dialog box again. If I click on cancel, it takes me back to select first object. In this particular chamfer command, it's also the same with fillets, you actually have to press escape to cancel the command. It's not often you have to do that with an Autocad command, but in AutoCAD Mechanical, you do have to do that with the chamfer command. Now, one more set of chamfers to do, and they're on the outer grooves here and here. We just need to show a small chamfer on each one. So we go back to chamfer again here, right click, set up, and I'm going to change the chamfer length here to 1, like so. I'm not going to insert the dimension, but I am going to trim. So I OK that now. I click here, and I click here. Notice there was obviously a line below that as well. I'll delete that shortly. Click here, click here. Again, there was a line there. Can you see that? Let's do the same on this side. Click here, click here. So you've got the same issue there as well. You've got lines there, extra lines. So I'll press escape now to come out of that and just delete those extra lines that I do not need. So there we are, they're gone. Delete those there. And then what you would do now, you'd obviously save your drawing and then carry on working perhaps on your fillets, your hatches, your contours, and so on.